In this video, we're going to have a look at the Optimiser installation and wiring. SolarEdge offer a range of optimizers to suit all sorts of different size panels and configurations. One of the important aspects when installing the rail mount optimizer is to ensure there's a minimum of 10mm gap around the optimizer body for airflow and to keep the optimizer cool. Ensure that either an M6 or an M8 stainless steel nut, bolt and washer is used for the mounting and securing of the SolarEdge optimizer. And ensure that the nut or bolt is tightened to a rating of between 9 to 10 Newton meters, depending on whether it's an M6 or M8 bolt. Ensure that a rattle gun or an impact driver is never used, as this will damage the optimizer. Once you have all the optimizers fixed to the rails in their correct positions, and all the other cable is dressed in correctly, as well as the return cable, you can then connect the optimizers to each of the corresponding PV modules and mount them accordingly. As part of this process, ensure that the QR code of the optimizer is either noted or scanned, so that when the pairing and mapping is carried out, each optimizer can be correctly identified through the SolarEdge apps and portal.